हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट में ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि एक्सपीरियंस हम शेयर नहीं कर पाते, और वैसे भी सोसाइटी में हम लोग शेयरिंग से ज़रा घबराते ही हैं, बहुत कम आगे बढ़ के बात करते हैं। तो हम लोग काफ़ी अरसे से बात कर रहे थे कि कैसे करें, तो देन वी थॉट के नोबडी बेटर देन मिस्टर इब्राहिम सिदात could be there to share his thoughts and his experiences in life. मेरा इनका पहला जो आमना सामना है, इनको शायद याद नहीं होगा। ये 75 में टैक्स पढ़ाया करते थे रिफ्रेशर क्लासेस में। तो मैं बाकी क्लासेस तो भाग जाता था सिवाय 2 क्लासेस के। एक मर्केंटाइल लॉ की क्लास थी, मसूद साहब पढ़ाते थे, और दूसरे इनकी क्लास थी। क्योंकि ये मैं साइंस का स्टूडेंट था, एवरीथिंग वाज ग्रीक टू मी। तो इन्होंने जो पहला लेक्चर दिया वो मुझे अभी तक नहीं भूलता। ही स्टार्टेड विद सेक्शन 3 ऑफ द 1922 एक्ट एज अ चार्जिंग सेक्शन दैट इज द बेसिस ऑफ टैक्सेशन, एंड आई हैव नेवर फॉरगॉटन एंड faltered on my taxation after that. Ibrahim साहब आइए, pour your heart out. Thank you very much for being here.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Moiz Ahmed, my dear fellow professionals and friends, Assalamu alaikum. This afternoon, I think for me it is a unique honor and a privilege. Unique in the sense that whatever I am going to share with you, there is my own humble, my own struggle background, and in sharing that with you, the idea is not to convert this afternoon session into one for boasting that we have done this and we have done that, or my firm has done this or has done that. But the fact that you normally refer to yourself and to your organization on occasions such as this, because one knows himself best. आप अपनी ज़ात को सबसे अच्छा समझते हैं और बेहतर समझते हैं, inside out, अच्छा बुरा. Similarly, as far as the organization is concerned where you are working with or you are associated with, obviously who would know better than you that you are part of that organization. So if I make any reference to myself or my firm, the idea, God forbid, is not to say that we are the best in the world. No, far from it. I am subject to all the frailties of human nature. I am subject to all the deficiencies which any of us in this profession of, in our country, how much now? 5,000 plus members? So I am a part of it. But I do take pride in this, that I am a product of this particular institute, good or bad. Alhamdulillah, Allah Almighty has been more than kind. He has been guiding, blessing, and showing the path which is the right path every step of our way. And had it not been for that, I can assure you that profession is one such thing where there are umpteen number of chances to falter every now and then. Every now and then. You would not even know. What will strike you from where? You will simply not know. So my friends, I think there are no tall claims of having been the best and having been the perfect. I started off, Moiz was kind enough to say that he has been my very worthy student. He still remembers section 3 of, I don't know whether FBR remembers that or not. But yes, I have always enjoyed in my life whatever I could impart. And it is in that spirit that I am here this afternoon, when Moiz told me that we are going to have a session with the practitioners of small and medium-sized firms. Would you like to come over and share your views? In any case, it is very difficult to say no to Moiz, whatever it is. Very difficult. But I willingly accepted that. Not because I am going to share a great deal with you, which is going to be something out of the world, something magical, something extraordinary. No. I am just simply going to share on a one-to-one basis, heart to heart, person to person, as to what I have gone through, as what I've seen as a profession. It has now been almost close to 40 years, over 40 years I would say. And I can assure you that perhaps very few professions, at least in this country, can provide you the kind of opportunity for self-development, for professional development, for expanding your interaction, for expanding your knowledge base, for enriching your experience. I think no profession in Pakistan can provide that. Be it law, be it engineering, be it medical, be it any. I can bet our profession, alhamdulillah, all said and done, we are part of the society. But I think if I say our profession is an island in itself, I think it will not be wrong. It will not be wrong. But what is important is that one has to work towards this profession. There are no shortcuts to success. There is no substitute for hard work. The nature of your job over time may change. I started off with one partner. I started my professional career at the bare age of 21. Started the firm with one partner, Mr. Naseem Haider, whom I am proud to have as my partner till today, and inshallah, I keep telling my other partners, we are 29 in all, with a head count of about 1400 people all over Pakistan. And I keep telling my colleagues that that will be the finest day of my life, when if Allah gives me life and if I retire, and if I'm sure we do retire according to our arrangement, that here is a man, the two of us started off at a very young age, and it is today now we are parting together with great mutual respect, great understanding, and great sense of achievement. Very few examples in Pakistan, particularly in professional life, you will come across like that. It is not that we have not disagreed amongst ourselves. It is not that we have got completely identical nature. No, it is totally different. My former colleagues from Ferguson days used to tell me, when I was about to leave Ferguson, and they came to know that I am going into practice, and I have taken in Naseem as my partner. One of my colleagues, who should remain unnamed, said, "अरे भैया आग और पानी एक साथ कैसे चलेंगे?" लेकिन अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह अल्लाह ने बस से बचाए. Till this day, from 2 we became 4, and so on and so forth and so forth. So in this journey of 40 years or so, when we started off from that point onward, we never moved backward. And there is no room for any doubt in what I am saying, and I am talking heart to heart, that there has not been a single day in our life when we moved backward together to tell us, kuch aur karte to acha hota. Alhamdulillah, God has been more than kind. Bila istiqaq Allah Ta'ala ne inayat ki, and we moved forward. So much so that in 2002, when we were about 700 people, 700 plus, with 14 partners, there came a time for merger, former Ford Roads and former Siddharth Haider. Usually in this country, as you are aware, there are very few examples, very few instances of merger. Indeed, very few instances of a flowering partnership, a blossoming partnership into something as an institution. There are very few examples. At best you will have, after father, you will have son in the firm, or a brother, or perhaps maybe some distant relative. Very few firms in Pakistan, unfortunately, are grounded on the principles of institution building. And why is it so? I'll deal with that a little later. So what was important is, when I started off, I told my partner Naseem that, look my friend, here is the big beginning we are making. And it is not